This is one of my old lights of I think it was bought in the late 80s, early 90s, so it's probably about 30, 35 years old, if not slightly older. Now, it's been in my workshop in the corner for many years. I haven't used it for quite some time. It has an old bulb, an old standard type bulb, and that's what's inside. Whenever you put it back together, bear in mind that the way it's put together, it needs to be put together the correct way around, otherwise it simply won't connect together. Now, this is the light bulb. I'm going to take it out and just show you. There it is there. Now it takes, I think it's D batteries. So it's the larger ones from the AA batteries. And the bulb does go in a certain way, and then you've got this little piece of copper metal that holds the bulb in place. Now, giving it a bit of a clean up. If you look inside, you can see it's quite rusty. I haven't cleaned any of that out at the moment. So the next light I've got, which is made by the same manufacturer, it is a smaller version, and it's got all the stuff in there. It works okay, except it has corroded slightly. I'm going to show you inside, so you can, if you do have one, you can at least repair your one with the information that you get here. I will be putting all the details further in the description. The important parts here is how the bulb is being held in place. Now, I haven't removed it because the plastic might actually be in a rather poor state and it might actually break. That's the on-off switch, and that's it. That also locks it in place. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY videos, then please go onto my channel.